Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, it's me again, Teacher Kevin PH, and we're back with another video. So this time, my dear friends, I'm going to teach you how to customize the shape of your webcam in OBS, alright? Well, the default shape in terms of inserting webcam in OBS is the square type or rectangular type, alright? But we may actually use different shapes for our webcam. Just like now, my dear friends, I'm using circle, right, as the shape of my webcam, okay? And this time I'm going to teach you how to customize different shape and how to actually apply it to OBS, right? We're gonna be using Adobe Photoshop in making shapes, right? So without further ado, let's start doing this one. Alright, so we are now in Adobe Photoshop and I'm going to teach you how to customize shapes for your webcam. Alright, so first things first, let's open a new document. Let's type in file and go to new. Then we will use pixels, my dear friends. We're going to use 1000 by 1000 pixels. Alright, and the resolution remains to be 72 because that's the best thing. Alright, click OK. And let's insert a shape. Well, in Adobe Photoshop CS3, we have here different shapes, my dear friends. You may also customize your own shape if you want. And this time, we are going to use different shapes here. We have ellipse and more, okay? And this time, we're going to use heart, okay, as our shape for our webcam. There you go. This is the heart. Hit enter. You may also use round or any other type of shape according to your desire, right? And next thing, let's remove the background of this new document using the magic eraser tool we have here. Magic eraser tool, then click on that one to remove the background. Okay, after this, my dear friends, let's save this one as PNG. Okay, and let's apply it to OBS sample webcam. There you go. Then let's save it as PNG. Click, I'm gonna put it on my desktop. Save. Okay. The next, my dear friends, let's go back to OBS. There you go. I'm going to insert another scene. Okay. The next, my dear friends, let's insert or let's add a video capture device. Video capture device, then hit OK. There you go. So this is our video capture device. You see the default shape is a rectangular one or square type. And let's try to make this one or use heart as a shape for our webcam. Alright, simply click in your video capture device, right click, then proceed to filters, then drag this one down. There you go. And then proceed to this one, plus button, then proceed to image mask blend. Hit OK, browse, and let's browse for that heart shape. Okay. There you go. Sample webcam. Hit open. Then make sure that your alpha mask will be alpha mask, alpha channel. There you go. Hit close. Then resize this one. There you go. You may also use different shapes, my dear friends, in customizing your webcam in OBS. Okay. You may also use Adobe Photoshop, or you may also use MS PowerPoint as long as you will save your shape as PNG. Okay? So that's it for now. I hope you learned something, and see you again next time in my next video.